Hi, Shubham.
Hi Tejal, hi.
Just wanted to make sure if you can hear me.
Yeah,
Cool.
I think everyone is like still not sure. Guys, I'm Shubham from batch 2014, if you remember me. I
We
would.
know you very well.
Who can forget the topper यार?
Hi, Harsh.
हाय
Hi.
ऐसे ही तो भाई ट्रैवलर बन गया एकदम प्रोफेशनल यार.
गुड ट्रैवलर है ना ये तेजल.
हाँ तेजल एक्चुअली.
Tejal bhi hai, yeah.
हम दोनों ट्रैवलर.
Oh,
और अजय कहाँ कहाँ घूमा फिर लॉकडाउन में?
Currently in Switzerland.
wow, nice. बाकी बैचेस वाले शर्मा जाएंगे, उनको भी ले लो. ऐसे अलग मत रखो उन्हें. I see some other batch students. Hi Jigisha.
What up, bro?
Turn on your camera, bro.
I just woke up.
It's okay.
No, I have a horrible face right now.
Before getting with this introduction part, I'll start with the presentation which we have prepared, so that it will give you the agenda of today's meeting, and then we can see how we can improvise ahead. Yeah, so I'll just present. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है तो टेंशन मत लेना, ज़्यादा बोर नहीं होने वाले तुम लोग. 5 मिनट में आई थिंक आई विल रैप इट अप, डोंट वरी. ऑलराइट, yeah, so I thought of this firstly. So with that blasty start, let's begin with today's meeting. I hope I'm audible. Can you please confirm?
Yes.
All
Yes,
right.
you are.
Yeah, so this is very first of our own kind DSV alumni meet, and I have tried to inform some of our staff members like Hassan sir and other staff members also that we are soon trying to get more and more alumni together, and we can proceed ahead. So for today, as it is the very first initial meeting, so we can just start with introduction, welcome, and then highlights. We have tried to get in touch with various batches, but for now, whoever has responded, we have tried to get their data. Some of them are shown in today's meet. We have a lot of superstars, I know that, but for now, whatever was feasible in a couple of days is what I'll be showcasing it to you. Thereafter, we all can discuss that how we can probably take it in a better manner, how we can direct it in a better manner. The idea was simple, that we all can come together because we all come from diverse professions, from different backgrounds. Of course, we all had different experiences, and we can utilize those experiences into something worth. And without wasting more time, the only idea is once a DSVN, always a DSVN. So what is DSV alumni? As you have already come across this message a lot of times, we have kept it open for all the DSV pass outs. It's open for all DSV alumni, and the idea is simple: to connect, create, work, inspire, and impact the society together. I came up with this DSV alumni concept, and also Larissa and Mayuri helped me into getting more and more DSVNs together. There were also many other people, but let's now start with the milestones part. We started initially networking with all maximum DSP passwords. I also tried our Facebook page. There's one Facebook group also into existence, but not everyone is like that responding much on Facebook, because Facebook has become age old technology now. So we needed to find some good channel. We came up with WhatsApp for this point, but we need to figure out how we can communicate more effectively and come up with good initiatives. So from April, our journey now, today we are in on 2nd of May. So 2nd of May, we'll start discuss about different social initiatives that we can take up. We can think of growth and opportunities, and also we can carry out some kind of research and development, because many good institutions, many good colleges, schools have their alumni associations, and probably ours did not have one, but we can create it now. And around July, probably June, July, we can connect it officially with the management and the faculties of our DSP. Till then, we have to understand how we are able to survive, what impact we are able to create in the society, and how we are moving in a positive direction. And the journey ahead, of course, would be into partnerships, collaborations, events, and etc. We can probably widen the scope. because this initially started with a simple concept of uniting everyone, but as we'll get more and more combinations of different professions, definitely the diversity will give us multiple good results. Yeah, so these are the feedbacks, some feedbacks which I could like showcase on the screen right now at this point. So due to the space constraints, but these all are the actual responses, feedbacks that we have received in the DSV alumni form. Fill it now so that we'll be able to understand what exactly are you doing right now and how we can utilize your skill set and the people who are others associated with us to create some good work, worthy work. So these are some feedbacks, and now let's start with some you could say diverse, as I said, diverse fields. So Tejal Gowde, she's a flight attendant. Yeah, so about Tejal, I can say she right now is like had completed her cabin crew flight attendant course, and she was working with an airlines. Due to pandemic right now, things are like going off, but of course she is the better person to give you an idea about how airlines and that industry works off. So really, Tejal, we are happy to see you flying high, and if you're ready, you can take over.
Thank you so much, Shubham.
Yeah.
I think being a flight attendant is a very, very nice journey. I think I was gifted time to explore and wonder, break and repair, build and grow. I was free, I felt like. I think cabin attendant life has been a mix of lonely and lovely because I had to stay away from my friends, my parents initially. So in the loneliness, I discovered how strong I could be and how much I could take. In the lovely, I realized how big and broad and possible the world is.
Yeah.
You get to travel the world while you're on duty as well as on your own time, mostly for free. During your cabin crew training course, you'll get a glimpse of glamour and adventure that life as a cabin attendant entails. You know, the crazy hours they spend in the hotel, responsibilities and constant jet lag, the most first timers go through right after they finish the cabin crew training and join an airline fades away quickly, but the excitement remains. You will meet new people every day. You will work and deal with all kinds of personalities as colleagues as well as passengers, explore the world, opportunities to grow, be smarter and stronger. You know, unique skill sets. You will learn professional grooming, emergency, first aid, survival skills. And there are a lot of things you can learn in life, and you know you can better yourself when you join the course and become a cabin crew. If your passion is to travel the world, if your passion is to learn, keep learning, help other people, so I think this is the best experience that I've gotten from becoming a cabin crew.
All right, all right. Thank you very much, Tejal, for that wonderful information. Like, it actually inspired me and gave me the vibes of Bunny and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. So, thank you for that.
My pleasure, Shubham. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me to be here and share my experience.
No. These experiences are actually very important today because life has actually shown us different paths since last couple of years, and we need to understand that life is not that positive. Actually, not that negative, but in terms of Corona, it's positive. So we need to be very sure about our part, and of course things are now becoming more digital, so we need to connect in some different unique manner. So this is the first attempt.
Yeah, definitely.
And I really thank everyone who is present here right now for being here, for making this attempt at least worthy for everyone. It is really good to have you all here today. And Tejal, for you, thank you very much for like taking up this task of beginning, because it's really difficult to break the ice, and we're really happy to see you flying high ahead.
Thank you, Shubham, and thank you, Meg, for commenting. I can read your comments. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Tejal has also got some idea regarding pets. We'll come to that once we introduce the rest of our today's featured ones, and then Tejal, we can discuss on that pets part which you were suggesting.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you, Tejal. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. This time technology part is on me, so I have to also admit people, so don't mind if presentation is constantly going back and front. Now let's go to Meg. Hi Meg, please turn on your mic at least. And Meg has cracked the most difficult examination, that is the Chartered Accountant CA examination. He's a qualified CA. I don't think I'm the right person to talk about it. Meg, the mic is all yours.
Yes, Shubham. Actually, I would love to present, but can you just give me 10 to 15 minutes because I'm traveling right now and I'll
Okay.
just be back in 10 to 15 minutes. If it is possible, you just skip to someone else right now.
Sure, sure. I'll do that. I'll do that. We are eager to meet
Yeah,
you
yeah,
later.
thanks.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, thank you. And yeah, very good, Tejas. I love the way you presented yourself. And obviously, as a cabin crew, I am no one to judge you on that thing that you are going to be your best one to present yourself. But yes,
Thank you.
seeing all of you go ahead and do wonders in life and be so varied
Yeah.
is like a very good thing for me. For me, I am like a senior for you guys, so I feel
Yeah.
good and I feel so happy and seeing everyone achieve some or the other thing. Now let me just go through other videos and other presentation that he has made.
Yeah. Don't mind.
Thank you, mate.
I have tried my presentation skills, guys. Don't mind if you don't like the design. We can work it out.
No worries, no worries. But I'll get back.
Yeah. Yeah, Meg. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, so we'll come to Meg sometime later. Till then, we have Rohit Pereira, Dr. Rohit Pereira. I doubt he's here today. Just a second. He had some duty in hospital, so he's the COVID fighter right now. So of course he is busy, but he asked me to he'll try. That's what he had said. But it's okay. I'll just give you a brief about Rohit. So Rohit is an MBBS doctor from in Pune right now, and he had studied Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. And I had a word with Rohit a couple of days ago. He is really a fantastic person. So we'll soon get to interact with him. In case you need any, you could say, information regarding these emergency, you could say, supplies or probably the vaccine or anything related to that, you can definitely touch him because he's the right person to like guide us in any medical fields. And of course, we had Meg who can help us with CA, like all accounting stuff and all. We have Tejal who can help us with airline industry. So you see how we have got gems in different industries, and these industries somewhere or the other resonate with our profiles also. So that's the idea of creating those permutations and combinations and bringing everyone together under one banner. That is DSV alumni. So Rohit was from 2013. One second, please. Yeah. Now let's go to Ajay, associated with Merchant Navy. His journey is like to study more ahead and go ahead for senior most Navy position. So that's about Ajay. Next we have is Larissa Mendes, of course. So she studied BSc in geology from St. Xavier's, and now she runs her own business, that is the Kitchen Boyac. So it's a food business, and she's also working currently with some company, the logistics company. So you all know Larissa, of course, because she was very popular at that point also. So that's about Larissa. Larissa, are you here? She was working today, so I doubt she'll be here today. Next is Mayuri. Mayuri, as you all know, she was at Kirkwood Community College, United States of America. Her probably she was studying there, and she got a chance. So today, Mayuri, Larissa, and me were the ones who came together to bring everyone in under one banner. So she is also one core member, I could say. Of course, we all are a team, but these were the initial team members. So Larissa and Mayuri, and last but not the least, it's me, the guy who constantly asks you to fill DSV alumni form. So please fill it now. I have my organization, Delta the Innovators. I'm a Bachelor of Computer Engineering, and in short, I could just say I'm an innovator, educator, and technologist. So that's about me. I was in 2014 batch. This part is okay, but please read this last line carefully. Those who have not filled the forms, please fill it now so that we can create such combinations in a better manner. Who's coming up next? So if you can make out your faces somewhere in this group photograph. Yeah, so the next one actually is, of course, you. So we could only get data for these 6-7 people for now because it was really fast to organize this meeting. But I know there are a lot of gems. You all are doing some or the other thing, and of course you're creating an incredible impact in your by some or the other manner. So we need to understand that we have to like get it on some, you could say, document or paper to understand what exactly are you doing, so that we can think of creating more opportunities for each other. So the idea is like we have to come together, unite, and be one. And the hashtag, of course, is DSV and Assemble. So if you have any ideas, any suggestions, you can join our community. The community name is DSV Alumni. For now, we are keeping it as a community, but later we plan to have it as an association with, of course, officially recognized by our DSV, so that it becomes more structured. It has a good mission and vision. this is a very first initial meeting, so now we can be ready for the mic. Like everyone can take up the charge and speak of like what opportunities they feel we can create. Probably if someone is good with you could say companies and all, we can find out different job opportunities or consultant opportunities for them. If someone is good with providing resources like food or you could say emergency services, we can discuss on that. So now is the time. You guys, if you anyone has not still filled the form, please fill it. It's a request so that we understand what exact potential we have got into our team. So that's it. Thank you very much. With this, my presentation part is done. Now we can open the mic.
I think I want people to take initiative to, unmute themselves and talk what
Yeah.
they think, what they could learn.
Correct. Actually.
Hey, Shubham.
Hi.
Hi, Shubham.
Hi, Pranav.
Great initiative, by the way. Just
Thank you.
Hi, Pranav.
Hi, one second. Yeah, Tejas. I'm sorry. I was not so well connected with the juniors and everything, but
No
great
problem.
initiative.
I'm great that you
Great.
came online.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pranav.
No, I mean, I just wanted to, appreciate you guys because this is something like when you make a community actually turns out to be something where everyone is helping out each other. So, like, it is more or less that, everyone is giving their industry resource into this community, and since being Indians, we can make use of that community. And a lot of schools and colleges will make use of this kind of like the alumni as such. It's very cold and everything, but this is a great initiative. I was curious to know who the hell is organizing all of this so like in such a organized manner. There are Bitly links, there are forms and everything. I'm like, who's doing this in I've never seen anyone in school being this organized. So I was very curious to know about that.
Shubham, of
But
course.
great initiative.
No, it's all possible because of you guys, of course. It is all because of you guys. I knew that we had very good gems. I had read about Meg becoming a CA or probably Tejal becoming of cabin crew. So there are people who got multiple talents. Of course, those were from our family.
That's true.
We all used to sit on the same ground,
Right.
the same DSV ground. We all used to
Of
go
course,
to the
exactly.
assemblies.
That's what.
So why not bring these
That's
people
right.
together under one banner and try out those combinations?
Exactly.
That's the complete idea. So
Right.
there can be different scope. Like in case if like Tejal has come up with a good initiative for pets, she'll discuss it in some time. Even you can give up some ideas. We can execute. We can think of some associations, partnerships, and take it ahead. So that's how we can support. I had an
Sure.
idea for Larissa also. She is into some food business. Now it's a local business, of course. We can help her with probably orders or some connections. So that is the whole idea of
Yeah,
creating
that-
opportunities. And I'm really happy to see juniors and
That's true.
seniors.
And the main thing here, I'll just like to connect to Pranav's words that organizing all of these things, hi Pranav, so organizing to all these things brings a diversity in
Yeah.
itself. Like after school,
Yeah.
we are into the particular profession. For example, I doing a CA. So for me, it is like I am just connected to more of a chartered accountant background, and I don't have so much of diversity.
Correct.
So right now I saw Tejal, I saw Ajay, I saw you, Shubham, I saw Mayuri. So from the different varied background that everyone has been, I feel that it is we don't fully utilize or we don't recognize our potentials as of now. Like until 10, I did utilize until 10. After that, I was a I was a introvert. After that, I feel because then that was the need of the hour for me.
Yeah, we are aware of
Because that was the need of the hour for me because I had to go back to books and that was something which paid off right now, like
Yeah.
2-3 months back. But now I guess I need to again connect and again start with all of this. So big thanks to Shubham, big thanks to Larissa, big thanks to Mayuri to connect all these 3 batches all together. And I just hope I'll be a part of it and I just help you out to connect with my batch at least.
Thank you, Meg. And अपना जो भी accounts का काम है, you are the one who will take care of that.
surely, no issue about it.
Organizing trips, Tejal can help us with that, right, Tejal?
Definitely.
Pranav, what are you working on these days now? What are you working as?
Yeah. So on one side I have a startup.
Wow.
It's called Alpha Software Solutions.
Uh-huh.
It's basically a full stack
Development
what do you
side.
say, app development, web development, whatever need you, whatever Paris. We have so we were initially called Manify. We had a brand called Manify, a product called Manify. In fact, that was a digital menu kind of a platform where you could connect to the restaurant Wi-Fi and place your order through your phone.
Okay.
We had around 15 clients for that, but after the lockdown, restaurants shut down and they were out. They were running. Most of the clients that we had, they cancelled out their this thing and they couldn't pay the AMC.
Yeah.
So, and most of them, like they completely shut down. So we had to take a turnaround and we had to start a consultancy of where we build web and app development. Like we do that. So that's on one side. I am the CEO director there.
Super.
On another side, I am working with a startup called Cluebot Tech Lab. This is an AI-based tool, AI-based task allocation or workplace collaboration tool.
Okay.
It's in its pre-seed stage. It has it has received good amount of funding as of now, and like it has a great potential to be a huge it's basically something that is not existing right now in the market, and it's very difficult to communicate right now because we haven't yet figured out a communication strategy where we can try to that is what I'm working on essentially. How like the product is ready, it's ready to go to the market. We're calling it the MEC, but right now we have around 5 clients who are completely onboarded there. So I will give you more information about the platform later. It'll get boring for some people because I know that you are in tech, but then like a lot of people might just be like, you want to give it out.
No. How are you in tech, Pranav? I assume your qualifications was into commerce or tax or something like that.
I actually did my BMS from SIS, but I had an inclination towards tech from the beginning, like from 8th, 6th, 7th standard. Like I used to be in the what is it called? N-word science exhibition in school. That was damn fun.
Yeah.
But was it happening in our school?
Yes,
I didn't know about it.
Yeah, there was N-word
I
science.
don't know about it.
No, I had participated.
That was too good.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Yeah, there used to be.
Blackmail.
All these secret meetings and opportunities were not open to us. This is not fair.
Yeah.
We would have ruined it, I am sure.
You had to
I'm sure.
Illuminati can't open up to everyone. Okay, you have to come to us.
True.
That's right. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Anyway. So yeah, these are the things I'm working on currently. There are a few other things that I want to work on, but yeah, there are only 24 hours in a day. So
You got one person. You got one person in tech. Don't worry.
yeah, exactly. I wanted to know what exactly do you do at Data Innovators? What is the background?
Yeah, so I'll tell you how it happened. So we made 3 international Guinness World Records with IIT Bombay into solar technologies, and apart from that, we have carried out different, you could say, educational programs with VGTI, IIT, and different premier institutes all over Mumbai and probably also Maharashtra because we were like scaling up. So our main agenda with Delta Innovators is innovation, education, and technology. With innovation, we create innovative products, probably using smart home IoT technology. You take it to the lamps, which we said, solar lamps, which was also a product. Then you come to education. Education for us is a philanthropy. So we don't charge anything for education. Innovation and technology is the one that actually garners us the money. And technology, as you know, is very, very vast. So I was lucky enough to be associated with Microsoft as probably for the various programs that they created for developer programs and all. So with Microsoft, it was really a wonderful experience. Also, I'm an Apple teacher. So with all operating systems and all tech side stuff, it's really good to like test it before it's released for the market. So that's been my experience till now with all such stuff.
Great.
So I'll share you the details. Like I am the founder of that.
Yeah, sure.
So you'll be able to
Great.
Share me the details about how did you make Deepika Padukone.
Yeah. That was very you could say easy because I have under Delta.
I guess that is the only time I would say that I would have been jealous of Shubham.
No. So it happened. It happened like I have 4 different brands under Delta. So under Delta Disha, we carry out various women empowerment projects, and Deepika's movie Chapak was also somewhat resonating with the idea that women should be empowered in case of such kind of attacks and all. So with that, I tried to apply my IIT contacts, and it went on a good venture. So that's how it happened.
Next time, if you get Priyanka on the dash, please remember make those she's there because I'm a big fan of Priyanka. I don't think so you will get a hold of her.
Like, come
but still.
on, he went to IIT Bombay. He's literally doing innovation and education. You must
But he got no. I'm not concerned about that because that I have a guy for that, right? That is Shubham that I can always outsource in the work. I'm more concerned about what are my personal goals.
Let's see if Priyanka comes with something under women empowerment. If possible, we can try.
She is the UNICEF for all of the children education and everything. So try and connect to her.
We can try.
Or mate, do it for mate.
Sure. I think let's now give a chance to the rest of the ones who are like taken efforts to join this meeting. So Mridula Nair, I see Mridula is here. Then Ansab, Flynn, Mansi, Harsh. So let's start with Mridula.
Hi.
I really don't know what to say.
What are you doing these days? I'll ask you the questions. Don't worry.
Yeah, so currently I'm pursuing my bachelor's in law,
Okay.
third year,
Okay.
from Dr. D.Y. Patil Law College, Pune.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's it.
Meg, we got one lawyer also. Flynn, what are you doing these days?
Yes, I'm pursuing my BCom second year, and side by side I'm doing a company secretary course. Yes,
Superb. Then
executive level.
that's nice. We got one commerce guy. Then we have Mansi. I know what you're
Hello,
doing.
am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, you already know everything.
Yeah. So now tell me, what are you doing?
Okay, I'm pursuing my BCA first year.
Okay. Harsh.
Hey, hi. I have completed my engineering in computers and currently working at LTI.
LTI working at LTI as a
System engineer, of course.
system engineer.
As a fresher, like.
No.
I'm also applying for masters currently.
All right. Planning to study ahead.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, of course.
Adnan.
Hardly anybody would have remembered me. Probably Harsh, Shubham,
I
you would have
remember.
remembered me.
But I know that what you're doing.
Remember you, yeah.
I would know that what he's doing. He's pursuing or he's already completed his mechanical engineering.
Yeah.
Right.
We can see
Like
that.
I've completed my mechanical engineering in the year 2020,
Okay.
and right now I'm working in L&T
Wow.
as a catalog associate.
Okay.
I've been into some projects like our project. It was selected on in global level in a
Wow.
competition that was organized by Bosch and Schneider Electric.
Uh-huh.
Our team was in among 12 teams from Indian subcontinent countries.
Wow.
So we were semi-finalists in that. But all that stopped because of Corona. Our project we wanted to scale up, but everything was stopped because of Corona in the year 2020. So looking forward in that, and right now I'm working in L&T. That was a brief about me.
So you're in Mumbai or in Pune?
In Navi Mumbai.
In Navi Mumbai. All right. Nice to meet you, Adnan.
Thank you.
Pratik.
And we all remember you, Adnan.
Yeah, we remember you, Adnan. Thank you, Tejal.
Thank you.
Yeah, Pratik.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, Shubham.
Hi, Pratik.
So, it's been a long time seeing you.
Yeah. I can see you. Yeah.
So, what should I say now?
What are you studying these days? What are you doing now?
I'm currently pursuing my BE in Electronics and Telecommunication. I'm in final year now.
Okay.
So, yes, I'm planning for government exams.
Superb. So we will see a collector soon, right? Collector or something else.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
That's nice. All the very best.
Some officer, some government officer
Yeah.
on some good level so you can help us.
Yes. He's into electricals, right? Electrical engineering, you said, right?
Electronics and Telecom.
Electronics and telecom. Oh, nice. That's nice.
We are more into the network system.
Okay, networking. All right.
Mobile networking. stuff.
Okay, GSM and
Yes.
CDMA stuff. All right.
Yes.
That's nice.
What kind of the government exam are you planning to give? Like, What are you planning? What is in the pipeline?
Since now, due to this lockdown, there wasn't any government exam this year, so I'm planning for MPSC and other defense exams too.
Wow, nice. Did you watch
That is
Lakshya?
what I just wanted to hear the name, and I was like, oh my god, we have such a guy also who's trying and attempting to give an
Exactly, that's why I
MPSC and
said so.
UPSC.
Become an officer and help us.
Government exam is my second priority. The priority is defense, but the selection probability is higher. Like the process is very long.
Yeah. There are interviews and 5-day rounds. I know it is a very
Yes, SSB rounds. Yes,
SSB rounds.
SSB. Yes.
Acha, to bring it to your notice, I'm also associated with Government of Maharashtra as a technical consultant. So Delta the Innovator is officially recognized by Government of Maharashtra also. Okay, so just to
That's nice to hear.
yeah.
Shubham, I wanted to know, when did you start this Delta? I wanted to know about what was your start date and what was the gestation period, and are you in the profits now?
See, I had this idea on 1st of April in 2019. 9th was my birthday. I launched it on 9th of April. Since then, I got it registered via all that MSME stuff and all. Then took it ahead. We made international world records and all, and it got good credibility. Now, if you just search on Google, even if you're searching for the first time, you would find the footprints there. So
So
it
in
has
2 years, you have made so many world records, Guinness records, or whatever you call. You met Deepika Padukone also along the way. So I feel so okay, 2 years and people can be so progressive. So I feel that this innovates and what you call this invites what you call. I can just say this is like a good thing for me to like for 2 years if you have this kind of a struggle and if you reach this spot, I think that's very great.
I see this as a very good combination now, because now we can probably come up with some good initiatives together. Because see, I'll tell you one clear fact. Now, I'm not that good with financial aspects, for example. So you are the one who I can consult with, or probably if I need to discuss something related to law, I have Mridula. So that's how we are trying to like get to that part.
That is what I said initially, that this diversity is what is like amazing me
Yeah, it's
as of now. And for me, it was very difficult to connect with my batchmates also. And now I'm talking to juniors right here. So this is kind of great only for me.
it's nice to like come up on this platform. So now let's go to Vishal Gupta.
Hi, Shivam.
Hi, Vishal.
Hi.
Hi, Tejan.
I don't know what to call you. Should I call you Vishal or the other name?
दोनों चलेगा.
Other name is also very much famous.
नहीं स्कूल वाले तो पुराना चलेगा. तेजल पुराना नाम से बोला. कशी है स्कूल?
अभी
Okay, let's start.
बहुत अलग दिख रहा है विशाल, लिटरली काफी चेंज हो गया तेरे में.
हाँ, तो चेंज आएगा ना. मेरा तो अभी लास्ट ईयर चालू है इंजीनियरिंग.
Okay.
एंड साथ में गेट का प्रिपरेशन चालू है.
Nice.
And connected into that business also.
Superb.
And I also want to study about IES, Indian Engineering Services.
Okay. Superb.
अभी है थोड़ा आगे चालू है.
मतलब हमें आगे डिग्रीज की लाइन दिखने वाली है विशाल के नाम पे, है ना?
शायद.
That's nice. All the very best. All the very best.
Thanks.
And you mentioned about dad's business. So what exactly your dad's business is?
Road construction and transportation services.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
that's
So also
nice.
connected there. Plus अभी तो final year है. I guess 2 month में भी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
Electronics engineering में. Same college, हर्षे college से ही है.
Shine
Shine.
and
Sorry, I missed out on what engineering are you pursuing? What engineering exactly, Vishal?
Electronics engineering में.
Okay, hi Vishal, by the way.
Hi.
And
Hi.
did you not prefer to do civil engineering? So that is more of a connection to your dad.
I wanted to do, but actually what happened after that I directly took diploma.
Okay.
So
Okay.
due to some percentage issues, I didn't got civil engineering. So I get into electronics, and after a year I couldn't change the stream because of the same issues percentage. So that's why I have to continue in my electronics.
But it's good then that your dad might be teaching you the civil engineering part also, and now you also know another stream also. So that's also
I
good.
can do both the things.
Yeah, it's always good to have backups. Right back at you, bye.
So Tejal, तेरा कैसा चल रहा है? First class?
Mute पे तेजल.
म्यूट से हटा.
आवाज
देखो बोली जा रही है, सुनना ही नहीं उसको, देख देख।
तेजल
म्यूट
आवाज
से
नहीं आ
हटा तेजल, म्यूट से हटा।
मैं तो सुन ही नहीं रही थी
हाँ
मतलब।
सॉरी एक्सेप्टेड। चल आगे बोल।
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि
हाँ।
अभी कोविड की वजह से थोड़ा फ्लाइंग एंड ऑल भी कम है बिकॉज बहुत सारा डेस्टिनेशन बंद है। बट फिर मैं घर पे बैठे बैठे सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग का भी मैंने कोर्स किया
What है?
और आर्ट साइड में मेरा थोड़ा क्रिएटिव अच्छा है तो फिर मैं डिजिटल आर्ट में भी कुछ कर रही हूँ। ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग थोड़ा ज्यादा है मेरे लिए, थोड़ा सीखना बाकी है बट
कभी सोचा
बेसिक
था
बेसिक
कभी सोचा था इतना अच्छा करेगी? हाँ
हमेशा
चल
मुझे
चल
पता है
चल 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 सही।
विशाल का ये डायलॉग ऐसा वो कपिल शर्मा के शो के जैसा लग रहा है। When he says that कि कभी सोचा था कपिल शर्मा के शो में आने का मौका मिलेगा करके।
नहीं, बहुत लोग ने ग्रो कर लिया अपने बैच से। शिवम
A
अच्छा
lot,
लगा।
a lot,
हाँ
a
शिवम
lot.
अच्छा लगा।
Everyone, like
हाँ।
everyone, it's not comparable, but I can just say कि everyone is just excelling. मतलब after like, and it's good to see like 8 years का struggle के बाद सीधा देखने का कि 8 years के struggle के बाद you just look at someone and you are like अरे ये तो 10th वाला बंदा था करके और अभी किधर का किधर हो गया है। So that is really good. I mean, I would love that Shubham, even you take some initiative to involve our batchmate also.
I'm
So
trying,
that
I'm trying.
I also feel involved, but I'm trying my best to just connect with you guys also.
Just give me some contacts or probably just connect me via mail or WhatsApp. I'll take it over. Don't worry.
I am weak into that thing. I just told you after school I had no contacts with anyone. So if at all I know anyone's face and all, I just try and contact them also.
I need your help, yeah, teacher.
फाइनल थोड़ा
हाँ, I need your help. क्योंकि पास
उसको
करने की
दुबई
टिकट है,
दुबई जाना है।
कंफर्म नहीं है, दुबई जाने की टिकट है भाई। अब ये लोग बोल रहे हैं बंद हो गया है सब। अब मुझे कोरोना चेकअप भी कराना है, बंद हो गया है। पूछो जरा तुम्हारे जैसे किसी को पता रहेगा क्या फ्लाइट एक्चुअली
क्या
बंद
दुबई
है।
जाना है?
हाँ, अबू धाबी की मेरी फ्लाइट है।
ओके
अरे तो अजय से
गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है कि बंद
अजय से
है।
हेल्प ले लेना। अजय तेरे को पानी के थ्रू छोड़ देगा।
ये सही है।
अब वही मुझे कंफर्म करना है कि एक्चुअली में बंद है या नहीं है।
मैं कंफर्म करके बताती हूँ, मुझे
ये
भी
हुई ना
पूछना
बात।
पड़ेगा।
तो
देखा
सुनो तेरे फ्री में कोई टिकट विकेट मिलेगा क्या अगर तेरे जाने का?
मुझे पता है तू मुंह खोलेगा तो तू यही बोलेगा, मुझे पता था।
हाँ तो इतने साल साथ में स्कूल में थे।
लालू मिलेगा।
चलो अच्छा
कुछ
है।
आदतें नहीं बदलती है ना।
That's nice. देखो तो ये यही
आई
एग्जाम्पल है।
गेट बैक टू यू डेफिनेटली। मैं
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा पूछती हूँ। डेट कौन सा है?
5 ये अभी आने वाला
ठीक है, मैं पूछ के बताऊँ।
है।
एक लाइव एग्जांपल हमने देखा कैसे एक दूसरे को मदद हो रही है. सो द एजेंडा इज ऑन अ सक्सेस रूट. थैंक यू. Go ahead.
That's what I was like, who's wrong?
And you vlog.
Yeah, and so basically, you know what happened here? I'm staying here in Switzerland, no? So if I have something,
Yeah.
no? So I go to hospital, they say, oh, you have Indian virus with you. I'm like, no, why? They're so scared of the Indians right now here.
Oh God.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, I just finished my master's last month. It's Masters of International Business in Global Hospitality.
Super.
And I also started a business here in Switzerland. It's a car rental company. So at the moment, I have 65 cars here.
Nice.
And yeah, before like coming to Switzerland, so I invested in one car, and today, like in a year, I have 65 cars right now.
Super. So whenever we'll be in Switzerland, we can like have cars. That's nice. Thank you.
Yeah, not only Switzerland, it's like the whole Europe.
That's nice. Super. So it's nice to hear about that, and probably I'm thinking, guys, that we can come up with a you could say a business manual where everyone whoever is into such startups or something, we can note down our information there, and I'll probably design it in such a manner that it looks like a brochure kind of a thing. So I'll share. I'll work on that idea and share it with you.
क्या होता है मुझे नेक्स्ट ट्रिप उधर की करना पड़ेगा फिर
Sure, Switzerland is free. So you know, I got my 2 COVID jabs already, the vaccine.
चलेगा नेक्स्ट ट्रिप मेरी उधर की अभी कंफर्म
It's yeah, but once the situation gets better, no, in India, then only you can come back here.
हाँ यार इंडिया का कुछ भरोसा नहीं
So nice to see our people globally on different parts of the world. So thank you for like what's the time there, Mujib there? What's the time there now?
It's 2:23.
Wow, nice. So we are ahead in time, Indians.
Typical Indian question.
Yeah. Now let's go to Pooja. Hello.
Hi Shubham.
Hi, Pooja.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm your junior 2015.
Hi.
Which batch?
2015.
15.
Mayuri batch.
Okay, Mayuri's batch. All right. Yeah. So what are you doing these days?
I'm completing my B.Pharm final year.
Okay.
I'm planning for MBA in pharma.
We have got someone who can provide us with medicines and all, so we can get good discounts. Guys, note her number. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Pooja. Let's go to Dr. Rohit. He is here. Hello.
Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Rohit Pereira from 2013 batch. I guess no one is here from 2013 batch.
Rohit, Lily, you forgetting me?
Who is playing यार? मुझे लगा था कि वो फोन में के करके मेरी दोस्ती है. Hey, how are you?
You just forgetting me now. भाई तुम डॉक्टर हो तो हम भी सीए बन गए हैं अभी.
हे भगवान, मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ मैं ये होगा पर you sound so different.
Is it good or bad?
It's mature, I would say.
मतलब मैं नहीं लग रहा था, मुझे लगा कोई और है ये करके.
रुक जा, तेरे लिए कैमरा चालू करता हूँ भाई. तेरे लिए.
मैं नहीं कर सकता, मैं हॉस्पिटल पे होगी.
I'm going to shoot, right?
Hi.
दिख गया अभी. I'm good. How are you? By the way, congratulations on your tag. You got the doctor tag, no? Just quite a few days ago. Congrats, bye. So how's the work going on there? Is it pressurized?
एकदम क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Tough is going on.
Is the situation bad? Are you exactly with the COVID patients or not? Are you
First day
with them?
only.
Okay.
So before MBBS, before final year getting over, I was posted in COVID. So I did it for 1 month, and then my exams were announced, so I had to leave the job and then start studying. So उसके बाद the first day
Shubham,
was posted COVID, 60 people.
Okay, so you have exactly the person there who needs, if he needs any help or something, he can just post it on the group, and then we can try to help people out. So yes, and you can exactly tell us what challenges you guys face and all to that.
Correct.
Howsoever small we could help, then we can just take the initiative and help him out.
Correct.
And I for sure would want my Lily to be safe. It's been so long I've not pronounced this.
But junior KD, so this name is stuck to me.
It's been so long not connecting to you, man. I feel like कहाँ घूम गए हम लोग समझ में नहीं आ रहे. It has been such a busy schedule for everyone.
I have only I contacted Sneha the other day. उन दोनों का साथ में रिजल्ट निकला था.
Oh. Good, great.
चलो अच्छा है, एक अच्छा सा reunion talk देखा हमने. So thank you.
I feel so happy seeing that.
ऐसा लगा मुझे करण अर्जुन बिछड़े थे अभी मिल रहे हैं. I was just so excited to pronounce his name, Lily, because I have never called him Rohit. So for me, Rohit is like I was about to leave the meet now because I am about to enter into a meeting currently. But then I thought just leave this and just spend 2 minutes talking to him, and then I'll just say I'll just bid a goodbye to everyone, and I'll, in case I am again back in say 30 minutes and you guys are still on, then I will just catch up. Okay?
I doubt that may think because almost everyone is done. We probably will try, but I'll ping you on WhatsApp. All right?
Yeah, no issues with that. Let us stay connected howsoever we can, and we'll just help each other out and see what we can do for the society and whatever the impact that we can do.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, Shubham, so much. Thank you, Tejal. Thank you, everyone who introduced, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Nate. See you.
Yeah. See you. Bye. Goodbye.
Bye. So I think almost everyone is done with their introduction. So how about Tejal? You take up that part which we were supposed to discuss about the PET initiative.
Yeah, I'll take over.
Yeah.
Okay, I think so. The main thing that everyone is saying that we should help the society affected by the COVID situation currently. I think as much as people are struggling during these times, um, humans are not the only ones struggling to wait through the pandemic. I think stray cats and dogs are starving too. I just want to know how many people are agreeing to me right now. Can please unmute the mic and say yes.
I agree. Yes.
Thank you,
Even
Shubha.
I do. Even I do.
Please, I need to know your name.
Yes, I agree.
Thank you, Pooja. I think as lockdown and physical distancing measures are enacted, people are staying home while restaurants and markets are closed, right? And these both are the vital sources for stray animals. The effect on stray animals is devastating as most are finding it increasingly difficult to find food. They have nothing to eat, not even leftovers that they always relied on. I think we should be doing something for the strays too because I am really connected to them. I don't know how many people are, but we should be helping them because they are part of our society too, right?
Yeah. Correct. Correct, Tejal.
Thank you. I think the earth was not only meant for humans to inhabit, these animals are ignored but important part of our ecosystem.
Correct. So
So
for
I think we can't start, I need some volunteers who can obviously we can't get out of the house because our health is also very important. But we can do the minimum for the animals to help them. Small things go a long way.
Right, that's right. So for that, Tejal has actually got an idea that we can probably come together and take up some initiatives by which we could provide food or some basic water or something like that for animals and probably birds. So Tejal, how are you planning to take this ahead?
Yeah, I think I have a list of few things that we can do. We can spare a couple of rotis or some rice and some milk. It can make a filling meal for strays who are going hungry. And you can keep fresh water in a shady area around your house. So as summer approaches, dogs, cats, and even birds will be able to quench their thirst. You could even go the extra mile and sprinkle the area with some water so it is cool because there's a lot of heat outside.
Correct.
So these are very, very small, actions that we can take to help them, which will go a long way for them. We can, ensure that they're not treated cruelly. Teach people around you the importance of being compassionate to all living beings, not just humans, right?
Yeah.
If you see a stray injured or unwell and are scared to tend to it, contact your nearest NGO, pet ambulance immediately and stay close until they arrive.
All right.
Because you can't go touch them because they can get aggressive because they are hurt and they don't know if you're coming to help them or you're coming to attack them because they have probably gone through something, right? So the least you can do is contact some NGO or pet that we will give you the NGO numbers, your pet ambulances that we will provide you, or we can all come together and help each other out. But these are the small things that we can do to make a safer place for the animals.
Correct. Correct.
That's what I think.
Thank
And
you.
what we can also do is, if we want to, make this larger, if you all are really interested in helping those animals as much as I am, selflessly knowing that they are struggling, then what we can do is while you go help them, you can take small pictures, how you are helping them so that we can make a right use of social media platforms to spread awareness how other people can help animals around them too because at these times we can't get out of the house, travel different places to help those animals. But we can create awareness so that people understand that they have to do their part as well.
Correct. We can take up some
I think-
digital initiative, Tejal. Actually, that's a very good idea. That probably we
Yeah.
can create some hashtag or something like that, and that moment can be towards animals and birds to help them out in such difficult situations. So, as you are a
Definitely.
digital expert, of course, you can be. We can share it on the group, like the contact details for the animal help and all. And
Yes.
secondly, the digital hashtag trend, what we wanna try.
Yes, and I would like to know the people who are, willingly volunteers, so I can share the contacts with them, and they can share the pictures of how they are helping, pictures or videos or anything. They can create their own thing and share it with me so that I can share it on the media and to create the awareness.
Correct. So that's a very good input. So we can probably, Tejal, create a small summary about this discussion, which we just had about this particular point, and post it on the group so that we can have, we probably can have what you could say, a poll or something like that, where we can take with different opinions and take this out. That's a very good idea.
Okay, I'll do the mail poll.
Just structure it out. I'll get in touch with you. We can create a poll and then see how people are like responding to that. Yeah.
Yep, we'll do that.
Thank you, Tejal. Thank you. That's a very noble thought, and I really appreciate your work towards, you could say, those who are also living beings, but we probably are ignoring them just because we are in the quest to save ourselves. So, thank
Yep.
you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, do we have anyone to take up the mic, or we are good to go now? How's that? Because for me, the agenda was like alumni connect, networking, or everything is done accordingly. Now it's the conclusion part. So for now, I would just say that we have to get maximum alumni together. So I'll be sharing the message constantly to fill in the form and all. So please get your batchmates. I know we are people from different batches, so it would take time for everyone to break the ice, but we can make it more faster. Also, it's a request that please don't post anything unwanted or you could say unverified on the WhatsApp groups. Please post only the facts or things that you have actually verified yourself, so that it really should be a worthy group. It should not be something like that will end up being mute or someone will leave it. I see still people are joining, leaving. It's just because people are not probably knowing each other much. And yeah, of course, I was strict enough at the start that I had restricted the messages only to admins, but now it is open for everyone. So let's make the best use of technology and help each other. With that signing off speech, I thank you everyone for taking this effort to join in. I know you all are busy with your schedules, but thank you for joining in. It's really a pleasure. And I have recording of this particular session, this session which we are into right now. So I'll be sharing it on the group in some time, so that whoever missed it can also have a glimpse. Also, you can share it with everyone. Like, I'll give you some digital, you could say, screenshots also. That's like how our meeting went on and how was the alumni meet. So your feedbacks will actually drive this moment more better. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. It was great connecting with you all.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.